Hello, Michael Tellinger here. Tell you about my next weekend tour and workshop coming up on the 26th to 28th June 2026. And it's difficult to try and get across all the different things that we do on that weekend and all the information we share and all the Q&A and the deep discussions from scientific, philosophical, spiritual, ancient history, Anunnaki, gold, as ancient civilizations, the stone circle ruins. How old are they? What stones are they made of? Why are they made of these stones? What do we know about these stones? Are they metamorphic? Are they igneous? What do we know about Adam's calendar? What evidence do we have that it's 300,000 years old? How can I say that the stone circles are probably older than 300,000 years and some potentially 1,000,000 years old? How can I make these claims? Well, because I've put 20 years of research into this. And it's really important to understand that the research that we do here, the research that I do, that I've somehow been sucked into by discovering the ancient civilizations of Southern Africa, the advanced technology, the Torus stones, the cone-shaped tools, all the stuff is all part of the same body of knowledge and information. You can't separate anything from anything else because the one bit of information and the one discovery leads to the other. So the cone-shaped tools, for example, I haven't really been talking much about those recently, but behind the scenes, I'm doing so much work and research about how does cone technology work. And it is absolutely remarkable that there seem to be no other researchers in ancient civilizations that talk about cone-shaped technology. And the combination between toroidal fields, torus stones, and cone-shaped tools and vortex fields is all connected. So when we talk about the ancient civilizations of South Africa and Southern Africa, it is directly connected to the Anunnaki. We have overwhelming evidence of the presence of the Anunnaki. We have some of the most advanced and leading edge, latest scientific concepts in toroidal fields, vortex fields, quantum mechanics, all in one pond here. So that's what we discuss, that's what we do, that's what we go and see the evidence of when you join me on one of my weekend workshops and tours. I hope that gets a deeper understanding across of what it is that we do, what it is that I focus on, and what information I will share with you when you join me on my next weekend tour and workshop here at Stone Circle Lodge and Museum. I look forward to seeing you here. Bye for now.